Hello students, welcome. In this video, we will solve 4 questions from 4 to 7. 4 to 7. This is exercise 2.2 of class 7th. Okay, you can find it on page number 26. This is page number 26. Okay, all these questions are based on basic addition and subtraction only, and in some questions there are improper fractions, somewhere you can find mixed fractions, and somewhere proper fractions. So it doesn't matter which type of fraction it is, you just need to concentrate how to add, how to subtract, and there is a concept of LCM. So I'm going to tell you fourth question, first part. It is simplify 3 minus 7 upon 6 plus 11 upon 12. Now to solve this we need to find the LCM, but listen carefully. Before you solve it, write all the given numbers in the form of a fraction. As you can see, 3 is not in the form of fraction. तो हम 3 को फ्रैक्शन की फॉर्म में कैसे बनाएंगे? एक 1 यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर हम बनाकर इसको इस तरह से लिखकर फ्रैक्शन बना सकते हैं. नाउ ऑल दिस नंबर्स लुक सिमिलर, है ना? ये भी फ्रैक्शन है, ये भी सभी फ्रैक्शन है. थिंक अबाउट 1, 6 एंड 12. एलसीएम इज 12. एलसीएम क्या होता है? लिसन केयरफुली, आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू अ शॉर्ट मेथड. इनमें से सबसे बिगर नंबर आपको कंसीडर करना है, दैट इज 12. 12 की टेबल आपको सोचनी है. 12 1 जा 12 स्टार्ट करनी है. 12 1 जा 12. 12 इसकी टेबल में भी आता है, 6 की टेबल में भी आता है और 1 की टेबल में आता है. सो एलसीएम इज 12. नाउ डिवाइड 12 बाई 1. 1 की टेबल में 12 टाइम्स आता है. 12 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 12 3 जा 36. ओके, इट्स वेरी सिंपल. 6 की टेबल में 12 2 टाइम्स आता है. सो 2 7 जा 14. इट इज प्लस 12 की टेबल में 12 1 टाइम आता है एंड 11 1 जा 11. सिंपल. नाउ simplify this. So this is 36 minus 14. Okay, what is that? 36 minus 14, it is 22 and plus 11 upon 12, it is 33 upon 12. Okay, and 33 upon 12. So check if these numbers are divisible by any other number. Yes, by 3. It is 11, it is 4. So the answer will be 11 upon 4, but you can convert it into mixed fraction. How to convert? Just divide 11 by 4. 4 2 ja 8, remainder is 3. So it is 2 and 3 upon 4. 2 and 3 upon 4. This is the answer of first part. Okay students. Now here I solve second part. It is 4 and 6 upon 7 minus 2 and 2 upon 3 minus 20 upon 21. 4 6 upon 7, 2 2 upon 3 and 20 upon 21. Okay, again convert these mixed fractions into improper fractions. 7 4 ja 28 plus 6 34 upon 7. 3 2 ja 6 and plus 2 8. My 8 upon 3, and it is already in a fraction, proper fraction. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है प्रॉपर है या इम्प्रॉपर है, आपको एक सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है. बट जो मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन होती है वो ऑलवेज इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट होती है. नाउ थिंक अबाउट द डिनोमिनेटर्स. दिस इज द बिगेस्ट नंबर 21 and it comes in the table of these also. So the LCM is 21. Okay, 7 in the table of 7, it comes 3 times. देखिए आपको क्या करना है, 21 को डिवाइड करना है 7 से. 7 की टेबल में 3 टाइम्स आता है. 7 3 जा 21. 3 को 34 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. ओके, सो 3 4 जा 12, 1 कैरी एंड इट इज 102. माइनस इन द टेबल ऑफ 3 it is 7 times. Multiply 7 by 8, 56. This comes 1 time in table of 21 and 21 ja 20. So simplify this. 102 minus, okay, this is negative and this is negative, so add both of these नेगेटिव नंबर्स को आपको एक साथ ऐड करना है. सो इट इज 76 upon 21. Again, what is the difference of 102 and 76? So it is 26, okay, and upon 21. Again, this is an improper fraction, so divide 26 by 21 as 21 1 ja 21, it is 5. So the answer will be 1 and 5 upon 21. Okay, 1 and 5 upon 21. It is 1 and 5 upon 21. Students, note it. Fourth question. Now I am going to solve third part. Okay, third part. It is 5 and 1 upon 6 minus 3 and 1 upon 4 plus 2 and 1 upon 3. Now convert all these mixed fractions into improper. 6 5 are 30 and plus 1 31 upon 6. 4 3 are 12 plus 1 13 upon 4. 3 2 are 6 plus 1 7 upon 3. And which is the biggest number? 6. So consider the table of 6. 6 1 ja 6. 6 doesn't come in the table of these. 6 2 ja 12. 12 इन सबकी टेबल में मिलेगा. So LCM is 12. 6 2 ja 12. So multiply 2 by 31. It is 62. 4 3 ja 12. आपको चेक करना है 12 4 की टेबल में कितने टाइम्स मिलता है? 3 टाइम्स. So multiply 3 by 13. 39. In the table of 3, 12 comes 4 times. 4 7 ja 28. Now add these positive numbers. So it is 90 and it is minus 39 upon 12. Okay, so what is 90 minus 39? Okay, it is 51 upon 12. Again with the help of division, because we want to convert this into mixed fraction. So 12 4 ja 48, it is 3. So the number will be 4 and 3 upon. Okay, before converting this we can cancel out these numbers also. So these numbers are divisible by 3. 3 4 ja 12 and 17 3 ja 51. Now it will be easier. So divide 17 by 4. 4 4 ja 16, remainder is 1. So the mixed fraction is 4 and 1 upon 4. It is 17 upon 4 and that is 4 and 1 upon 4. So students, this is the answer. Okay, note it down. And now I am going to solve question number 5. So listen carefully. Question 5. It is required that what should be added to 11 upon 48 to get 13 upon 6. आपको जैसा जब भी कभी ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछा हो, what should be added to a given number to get another number, तो जो भी नंबर टू गेट के बाद होता है उसमें से आपको पहले वाला नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है ऑलवेज. सो द नंबर विल बी 13 upon 16 minus 11 upon 48. Okay, and the LCM will be 48. 16 3 ja 48. Okay, divide 48 by 16 3 times, then multiply 3 by 13, 39. 48 1 ja 48, 1 ja, so 1 is multiplied by 11 and finally it is 28 upon 48. Okay, check if the numbers are divisible. Okay, these are divisible by 4. 4 7 ja 28 and 4 12 4 ja 48. So the answer will be 7 upon 12. Now question number 6. Okay, which is greater, 2 upon 3 or 7 upon 9? So to find the greater number, just make all the denominators equal. तो अब इन डिनोमिनेटर्स को इक्वल कैसे करेंगे? 2 upon 3 को हम 3 upon 3, ओके, इस तरह से बनाएंगे. So you can write 2 upon 3 equals 2 upon 3 into 3 upon 3, because you can convert 3 into 9 easily. Why? Because the LCM is 9. So this fraction becomes 6 upon 9. Now easily you can find 6 upon 9 is bigger or 7 upon 9. Obviously if the denominator is same, then the bigger numerator, the fraction with bigger numerator is bigger. इन दोनों फ्रैक्शन में न्यूमरेटर बिगर है. लिसन, 7 इज बिगर, सो 7 अपॉन 9 इज बिगर देन 6 अपॉन 9. ओके, एंड बाय हाउ मच? इट मीन्स यू हैव टू फाइंड द डिफरेंस. सो बाय हाउ मच मीन्स subtract this number from this number because it is bigger. So 7 upon 9 minus 2 upon 3. Again find the LCM. 9 1 ja 9, 1 is multiplied by 7, we get 7. 3 3 ja 9, 3 times 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. So the answer is 1 upon 9. It means the bigger fraction is 7 upon 9, and by how much? By 1 upon 9. So these are the answer. Finally you can write 7 upon 9 is bigger by 1 upon 9. Okay students, note it down. Now question number 7, last question of this video. What should be added to get 3 and half to get 8 and 1/4? Okay, the question is similar to question number 5. Listen, question number 5th and 7th both are similar. Difference इतना ही है, 5th question में proper fraction given है और 7th question में mixed fraction given है. So convert. What should be added to get this? Now the answer will be 8 and 1/4 minus 3 and half. Okay, क्वेश्चन में जहां भी आपको टू गेट लिखा है, टू गेट के बाद में जो भी नंबर होता है उसको आपको पहले लिखना है. दैट इज माइन्यूएंट, इट इज सबट्रेंड. सो यू कैन सोल्व इट. 4 8 जा 32 प्लस 1 33. ओके, 2 3 जा 6 प्लस 1 7. नाउ एलसीएम इज 7, सॉरी एलसीएम इज 4. 4 की टेबल में 4 1 टाइम मिलेगा और 1 को 33 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 33 आएगा. अगेन 4 1 जा 4, 1 is multiplied by 7. Now we get 26 upon 4. Okay, cancel these with 2, it is 13 and it is 2. Now you can divide 13 by, okay, the numbers are, let's check it again. 8 and 1/4, 3 and half, 33 upon 4. Listen, it is 2. So by mistake I have written 4. It is 2 3 ja 6 plus 1 7, 7 upon 2. Now LCM is 4. Check the table of 4. 4 comes 1 times. 1 into 33 is 33. In the table of 2, 4 comes 2 times. 2 multiplies 7 is 14. Now it is 19 upon 4. Okay, and divide 19 by 4. 4 4 ja 16, it is 3. So answer will be 4 and 3 upon 4. So this is the answer of 7th question. Students, finally we have solved question number 4 to 7 of exercise 2.2 of class 7th. Now these are the basic questions regarding addition and subtraction of fractions. Maybe the fractions are proper fraction, improper fraction, or in the form of mixed fraction. So it's all about addition and subtraction of fractions. I hope you got it properly. Solve the questions in your assignment.